Hey kids, today we're gonna learn how to write the letter D. Let's make a big D. That's a D. One big line and that's a D. With the help of our loyal farm tractors. Let's see. Boom. And you can see here die-cast, Siku and Welly tractors, farm tractors. We've got red one and a green one, and now we're gonna get this yellow and green tractor. And we've got the yellow one, another Siku. Dark green. That's not a regular tractor, right? And a green. And something for a change, a blue. Well kids, that's a D. A D, capital D, little d. This is it. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.